Children, today I am going to teach you science chapter plant help us. We get many things from plants. We eat different part of some plant as a food. We grow useful plants. Cereals. These are cereals like rice, wheat, maize. Cereals we eat are kind of a food grasses. Cereals provide food for people all over the world. They are good energy giving food. They are energy giving food, and we eat the grain of some plant like rice, wheat, and maize. Millet. Millets are also cereal but low quality. Jowar and bajra come under the millets. You can see in this picture different kinds of pulses or dals like moong, masoor, urad, arhar, and chana, kabuli chana, and rajma and soybean. Pulses are next important of cereal. They are good body building food. Cereals grains are also important food for chickens and some other farm animals. Soybean is the one of the world's most and cheapest source of a bodybuilding foods for people who are allergic to milk. Milk made with soybean offer a healthy alternative. Vegetables. These are, you can see in this picture, different kind of vegetable like root vegetable, stem vegetable, leafy vegetable, and flower vegetable. The vegetables we eat are part of some plants such like root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruits. Carrot, radish, turnip are root vegetables. These are the common salad vegetable: cucumber, radish, carrot, cabbage, onion, beetroot, and green chili. Eating raw vegetable is very good for health. Potato, arbi, and onion bulbs. These are stem vegetable. Potato is known as the king of vegetable. Leafy vegetable like cabbage, spinach, lettuce, fenugreek. Fenugreek means methi. Spinach means palak. Flower vegetable like cauliflower, broccoli, and banana flower. Fruit vegetable like ladyfinger, tomato, brinjal, cucumber, capsicum, green beans are fruit vegetable. Tomato is a fruit as it is the edible part of the plant containing seed. It is widely accepted as a vegetable because it is used with almost all vegetables. Some of the things we call vegetable are really fruit. There are seed inside tomato, ladyfingers, peppers, and cucumbers. So these are really fruits. Fruit. You can see in this picture different kinds of fruits: mango, apple, orange, banana, pomegranate, grape, papaya, pineapple, strawberry, and watermelon. A fruit is a part of a plant which has seed inside. Fruits are good for health. Fruits have different taste. Nuts are the fruit with hard covering. Tea, coffee, and cocoa and sugar. We drink tea and coffee. Tea and coffee as refreshing drink. Cocoa is used for making chocolate. We use sugar for sweetening and making sweets, dessert, and ice cream. We get sugar from sugar cane, means ganna. Cooking oil. Seeds, nuts, and fruit of some plant give us cooking oil. We cook food in oil. Oil from some plants is also used to make soaps and shampoos. Spices like mustard seeds, cumin seed, cardamom, black pepper, and cloves. We get spices from plants. Spices add flavor to our food. We use different parts of a plant as spices. Plants give us fibers. Fiber from some plant are used making cloths, sacks, sack मतलब बोरे, mats and ropes, cotton, jute, flax, and core are the more important plant fiber. Flax fiber is used to make linen cloth. Core fiber used to make mats and ropes. Plant give us wood. We get wood timber for our furniture, door, window, and building work for many trees. Your pencil are also made up of wood. We also get firewood from plants. Some common tree giving timber are teak, sal, sesame, deodar, oak, palm, pine, babul, and bamboo, cedar, and cypress, etc. These plants give us wood. Plant give us medicine like tulsi leaves, eucalyptus, and neem. Quinine, eucalyptus oil, opium, and penicillin are famous plant medicine. Many plants such as tulsi, peppermint, ashwagandha, lavender, eucalyptus, sarpagandha, neem, clove, ginger, garlic, turmeric, aloe vera, and amla are used to make medicine. We get many other things from plants like perfume, paper, gum, and rubber. Sweet smelling flower of some plants like rose, lavender, jasmine, and geranium give us perfume. We get paper from bamboo and pulp of many trees. Gum is made from kikar stem. Gum is made from the kikar stem. Gum is used to make glue. We get rubber from the white sticky juice of rubber tree. Rubber is used to make eraser, tire, tubes, pipes and shoes, etc. Some other uses of plants, they make our home look beautiful like rose, croton, dahlia and money plant. Plant give fodder for animals. Cattle feed on grass, leaves and grains. Children, read this chapter carefully and learn different uses of plants. Learn different pulses name and vegetables name like root vegetable, stem vegetable, leafy vegetable, fruit vegetable, flower vegetable, and which stem give us paper, which plant give us fiber, which plant give us spices. Learn all these things. Thank you and have a nice day.